Hi there, my name's Keith Kissler, and my family and I farm here in the Chimacum Valley. We mostly grow organic wheat and barley and rye and quinoa and buckwheat, so various types of grain. And we also have a milling operation where we take all those grains and we mill them into flour and sell them to local bakers and bakeries and restaurants. Okay, so the question I get most often about our farming operation is, how much grain do you grow? We grow about the equivalent to 600 loaves of bread per day is our annual production. So it's about 200,000 pounds of grain, and that equates to about 600 loaves per day every day of the year. What brings me the most joy in what I do is a couple things. One is being outside and working with the land and the natural cycles, and the other is being a farmer and knowing that I'm growing healthy food for our local community and food that people eat, and regardless of who you are and where you live and what you do and all those differences that we have, everybody eats food, and that just as it feels like a really important and wonderful thing to do.